Hey guys, Misha, everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's see how the market did. Let's call it a transition extremum, or why else? Would we have a monthly level here? Yeah, exactly like this. It's Some would say it's a one bar rule, but even if it is, there was this. Anyway, it's weird. So weird, it's all way up there, needs to correct, and all of that. So I'll say break. Yeah, for swing trade. But where are we on daily? Let me think about it. Yeah, not for hourly, not for swing. It's only good for day trade here. And we reversed and then broke. Ooh, let me answer this one. Spam. Just another spell clone. I mean, not for day then, but for hour and minutes. It's still longish by a hair, but we have a bigger volume. IWM is there. It's not a balance. Maybe I'm better off like this. Intel, I was sitting on my hands today. What can I do? What can I do? I transferred this loss to here. What can I do? Boom. Heinz, like, doesn't want to break me even. What the heck? Heinz. $68. Well, people are asking for 87, but people are bidding 61. Oof. And my break even is 89. What can I do? Yeah, because my average price was 88. I needed to go lower. Not many people apparently believe that it's going to go lower. But now we're beneath, underneath this volume, which is good. So GDM goes higher. I intentionally put this level here already, even though this level is not broken yet. Just because to remember Mishka English. Just because to remember that it's so close. And I would more so believe it went down there and renewed this level. Let's see. Bush. MasterCard. That went 60 times up, 6,000% in the last how many years? In the last 18 years, 17. Yeah. So I wouldn't put much trust in that sun volume spring. It's a sentence for this level. Yeah. We got some volume, just a little bit. Nothing looking like an exhaustion yet. Just a little bit. That's interesting. Volume distribution is not good. No bueno. Yeah. My brain refused to process this one. Come on, brain. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Oh, and this is a balance also. Like, but balance. Up and then down. Well, technically, it's a spring that needs up thrust. Don't let me down. Yeah, that's where we are. This is where we Doosh. Doosh. This guy needs to interact with T1. Is it? No, T1? What was going on here? So this was a balance probably, and then it was expanding and expanding. Yeah, okay. I see now. I see now. I just saw my physical therapist. I need to rearrange my working place. Lumbar rule. This thing goes wherever it wants to go. Ah, yeah, and it's a daily watch now. Oops, not. And this is a one bar rule as well. This needs to go here, I think. Oh, and I have a question for my trading coach. Yes, yes, yes. And we change direction. And now it's all weird. It's all weird. So, yeah, Bunk. This thing goes higher, and it's a daily watch now. Continuation of the trend party is over on Taiwan Semiconductor. Cisco system looks like it's gonna go. Ford got back on my list. Got back on my list. It's still lower highs and lower lows on Fjord. Continuation of the trend party. It's in the wrong section. It's in the wrong flag. One bar reversal. And this thing just goes. I'll keep it on a daily watch, but I don't know why, really. Looks like an exhaustion volume now. Yeah, this was an attempt to like continue this volume, and then it tried to revive from here, and then boom, we're beneath it now. And now we reached the potential, so it's not good for anything. It's reached its potential. Well, an hour technically, maybe. I don't think so. I don't think so. Dune needs to go midpoint 5. That would be nice if it never breaks. And it's a weak approach, but the break is strong. If it made another volume level here without changing the direction and then up thrusted it again, that would be great. Level. Daily watch. It bounced of 0.5 and went Dune. Did I? Yeah, no. Yeah, I did. Look. Okay, we'll watch everything. I did something from my phone, so I should have sorted this list before. You see, like buying the level, aka Pfizer. That's how you can end up buying the level. America. Netflix breaks and it's good in continuation of the trend. This is now our sign of strength. Looking good. Yep, not you, I'm sorry. On this arrow. I always confuse arrow and error. And only now it hit me. Maybe I'm still mispronouncing it, but you get the point. Arrow and error. English is weird for all I care. Um, there's some nice stuff going on here. Some good stuff. Oh, well, and really, you don't belong here. I'm sorry. You're from the D. Uh, some good stuff going on here. A little bit too far from 0.5. However, it's short, and this volume is great. And then this volume, look, it's not here. It's on volume spring. So I would consider something from here, especially if it like bounce, 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 and expand the T2 level. But Netflix is good in continuation of the trend, you know. Triple M. Well, yeah, volume distribution is not good. I was gonna say it's like counter trend ish. It's not counter trend. It's counter. It's not ish. It's counter trend. But don't do it. Relax. Don't do it. Dun, 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 dun. Нефть. What am I trying to find here? 1.5. Change of direction. This was a one bar rule. Let's try it again. This range does not make any sense. Ooh. Um, mm, it's correction on year. Looks like a little like exhaustion. Yeah. So you got our transition extreme. However, so yeah, my physical therapist said I need to raise my monitor by fold to my eye level. So like this. Probably I'll need the keyboard. I don't know. I'll need to look into it. What Amazon has to offer and to say. Good job not taking this trade, Mishka. Good job. Um, uh, Local extremum, believe me or not, we finally got. Yeah, I would consider short here for sure. Our global intelligence. What was the thing on global intelligence? I wanted to do something. Oh, no, I wanted to prove my friend that it's not a good. He's like such a AI propagandist. I can't even like call them evangelist because it's like too late. Uh, Pfizer again buying the level thing. Once again, like such a volume and it doesn't go. It's consolidation campaign, and I have no tools to define whether it's a good distribution um or you guys help me out or accumulation. I don't know what's going on here. And technically good and continuation of the trend. Um, I wouldn't touch it. And what was going on here? Uh, yeah, that's weird situation. ICE, our political stock. Bro, I told you already, we got our uh, photographer, Yuri, detained. He just ran into the military base somewhere in San Clemento. Start checking his documents, his interview pending, lawfully present. They called ICE on him. What like a douches? He has all the paperwork that he's interview pending. He's like not interview, the court. His court was scheduled immigration court. Now, like Russian American community, Navalny Lake community collects donations to support him. His car was taken, was towed to a tow yard. He's now in detention. He needs like money for attorney and the whole thing. So be careful, I'm saying. If your status is not crystal clear, written in stone, be reasonable about what you do. He's perfectly legal. He's perfectly legal in the United States. That's the bummer. Um, okay, we almost like reached. We're almost there. However, not yet. So it's continuation of the trend. And volume distribution, by the way, is good. I'm not suicidal, but I'll put a mark on it. Well, really, I mean, no, no. Where is the potential of the year? So this thing needs to chill. This thing needs to chill. Unvolumed upthrust. Don't trust unvolumed upthrust. Is my word. Is my word. It does look like an exhaustion. We bypass this volume, so we're above it. It can be continuation of the trend. I'm not sure if you can hear it. My roommate is clearing his nasals loudly. Loudly. I think noise cancellation covers you from that. I hope so. I hope so. Yeah, that's the situation we have here in continuation of the trend. I think it's foolish. Considering we're on daily, it's just like we're within the range, but well, why? Oh, it was a 0.5, so I wanted to see how it will do after 0.5, but um I don't know how to classify this, whether it's a break or um well, it's a break of T1 for sure, but it's like, was it like, see it as a bullish bar or bearish bar, so just in case. Yeah, that's the thing. This volume is hairy. This volume is hairy. So much volume it doesn't go anywhere. And it's here, but it still holds the biggest volume. Still holds the biggest volume. This thing is on volume, so the geometry is good, but but volume is not. There's like two ways we analyze the chart. Three ways. We see the wave, the volume, and the bar. And this thing is on volume too. So yeah, nothing exciting as of now. This is a good continuation of the trend. Yeah. Continuation of the trend, my friend. Beautiful. Volume. Beautiful volume. Yeah. That was even all right for 4 minutes, for 5 minutes. M5. Boink. Yep. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Didn't give us a test, but pretty distinct. Um, what's the word today? I stumble upon a word. Yeah, that was on volume T1, but then volume went up and then tune, tune. Mm. Oh. I ran into some synonym of um, distinct. I decided not to recognize this bar as a yeah. So there is no level. That's the thing. That's the thing. I think it's Irene. I'd imagine so. And this too, I don't know where it took a level. Where did I get a level here? It's not a level. And it's a good continuation of the trend. Ink. Continuation of the trend. It's a good volume. That will be our like this. Like this. This is a nice balance. Ooh. And this is a nice sign of strength. And the only thing is it's a little too high and bigger than any volume on its way. We'll see how the price will interact at this level. Yep. Um, Continuation of the trend. Actually wrong marks. Actually wrong marks. Volume distribution is not right. The bigger volume on the reaction bar. So wouldn't bet on it. But other than that, volume again and see like how it's still big volumes and spread kind of dies out. So yeah, look at this volume. The beginning, no middle, E end. And this is also continuation of the trend. Volume is too big. We don't want to see a bigger volume on reaction, on the manipulation signal of counter trend level. We want to see volume, but not the biggest, and volume distribution is not. Oh, you see, that's where there was a quick trade here, and I didn't take it, and then like here unvolumed, barely volumed up thrust, and then boom, it shoots up. Okay, that's it for today. We got some stuff going on. Hey, why is it open? Wait, what? Yeah. It can go. Okay, that's our tomorrows. Hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrow. No tomorrow. One bar. No tomorrow. And I think it's kind of funny. I think it's kind of sad. You guys remember that one? The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I ever. I find it's hard to tell you. I find it's hard to take. And yet we need manipulation of the monthly level, interaction. It's not going to be manipulation because uh, an hourly chart cannot manipulate a superior time frame chart level. Fjord. Okay. Interesting. It's so freaking tight. Apple. Wait, why Apple is hold on. Why Apple is continuation of the trend? Because it is. Netflix, XLA, CT. Yeah, cool stuff. You guys take care. Um, Trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone. No one knows anything. Learn and grow in the communities of like-minded people, such as myself. That was a test level in 0.5, and that's the supporting bar level. I wouldn't worry about this guy. It's the last hour of the last minutes of the day. So yeah. Okay, guys, take